Hello students, welcome back to the fourth lecture on measures of dispersion. In the previous class, we have solved the examples on quartile deviation. Also, we have seen the definition, formulas and merits and demerits of mean deviation. Today, we will solve the examples on mean deviation. Today's first example is calculate the mean deviation from the mean from the following data. And here we have data x values and f values. First, we need to find the arithmetic mean of this data. So x values as it is we will take, f values frequencies we will take. We required total of frequencies. So if you add 3 plus 12 plus 18 plus 12, you will get capital N is equal to 45. Also we required f into x, frequency into x values. Then 3 into 10 you will get 30, 12 into 11 132, 18 into 12 216 and 12 into 13 you will get 156. If you add all fx values, you will get summation fx is equal to 534. Then we have the formula to calculate mean. X bar is equal to summation fx upon n. Summation fx is 534 divided by n is 45. Then after simplification you will get x bar is equal to 11.87. Now to calculate mean deviation, we required some more calculation. X values we will write as it is, frequency we will write as it is. Then we have to find absolute value of x minus x bar, which is equal to absolute value of x minus x bar we calculated, that is 11.87. Now we will find first absolute value of x minus x bar, that is 10 minus 11.87. You will get minus 1.87, but since it is absolute value, we have to neglect the negative sign and we have to write it positive. So instead of minus 1.87, we have to write plus 1.87. Similarly, 11 minus 11.87, you will get 0.87. 12 minus 11.87, you will get 0.13. And 13 minus 11.87, you will get 1.13. Also, we required total of frequencies, so that is capital N is equal to 45. Then after this, we have to multiply this frequency with this absolute value of x minus x bar values. So 3 into 1.87, you will get 5.61. 12 into 0.87, you will get 10.44. 18 into 0.13 is 2.34. And 12 into 1.13 you will get 13.56. If you add all f into absolute value of x minus x bar values, then you will get it is equal to 31.95. After that, we have the mean deviation from mean formula is md of x bar is equal to summation f into absolute value of x minus x bar upon capital N, which is equal to summation f into absolute value of x minus x bar is 31.95 divided by capital N is 45, and after simplification you will get mean deviation from mean, that is md of x bar is equal to 0.71. Now we will solve one more example. Calculate the mean deviation from mean from the following distribution. And here we have the distribution, class intervals and frequencies. The class intervals 2 to 4, frequency is 3, 4 to 6, frequency is 5, 6 to 8, frequency is 8, 8 to 10, frequency is 4, and 10 to 12, frequency is 2. Now this data, first we have to find the arithmetic mean. First we will write class interval as it is, frequencies as it is, and then we have to find midpoints of these class intervals. So 2 to 4 midpoint is 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 divided by 2. We have the formula to calculate midpoint, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That is 2 plus 4 divided by 2, 6 by 2 you will get 3. 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 by 2 you will get 5. Similarly, we will get other midpoints as 7, 9, 11. Also, we have to add the frequencies. After addition of frequencies, 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, you will get capital N is equal to 22. Then we have to find f into x. Here f is frequency and x is midpoint. So 3 into 3 you will get 9, 5 into 5 you will get 25, 8 into 7 you will get 56, 4 into 9 is 36 and 2 into 11 is 22. Then we have to add all fx values. You will get summation fx is equal to 148. Then x bar formula we have, x bar is equal to summation fx upon n, that is 148 divided by 22. After simplification you will get arithmetic mean x bar is equal to 6.73. Then for the calculation of mean deviation we have to find absolute value of x minus x bar, that is absolute value of x minus x bar is 6.73 and f into x minus x bar. Before that class interval we will write as it is frequency and midpoints. Here x values are nothing but midpoints, and if you add frequencies you will get capital N is equal to 22. Now first we will find x absolute value of x minus x bar, and x bar is 6.73. So 3 minus 6.73 is nothing but minus 3.73, but since it is absolute sign we have to write it positive. So first difference, that is 3 minus 6.73, you will get 3.73. Similarly 5 minus 6.73 is 1.73. 7 minus 6.73 you will get 0.27. 9 minus 6.73 is 2.27, and 11 minus 6.73 you will get 4.27. Now frequency into absolute value of x minus x bar. This is frequency. 3 into 3.73 you will get 11.19. 5 into 1.73 you will get 8.65. 8 into 0.27 is 2.16. 4 into 2.27 is 9.08, and 2 into 4.27 is equal to 8.54. Now by adding all the values of f into absolute value of x minus x bar, you will get summation f into absolute value of x minus x bar is equal to 39.62. Then we have the formula to find mean deviation from mean is md of x bar is equal to summation f into absolute value of x minus x bar upon capital N, that is 39.62 divided by 22, and after simplification you will get mean deviation from mean is equal to 1.801. So this is mean deviation from mean for the second example. Similarly we will solve one more example. Calculate coefficient of mean deviation from median for the following distribution. And here we have the data: age in years and number of persons. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. These are the age in years, and corresponding number of persons are 4, 5, 7, 20, 12, 20, 13, 5, 0 and 4. Now to calculate median we required here the less than cumulative frequency. Age in years we have written as it is. Number of persons we have to consider as frequency, and then we have to find LCF, less than cumulative frequency, that is addition of the frequencies from top to bottom. Here frequency is 4, we have kept as it is 4. So 4 plus this 5 you will get 9, 9 plus this 7 you will get 16, 16 plus 12 you will get 28, 28 plus 20 you will get 48, 48 plus 13 you will get 61, 61 plus 5 is 66, 66 plus 0 is again 66, 66 plus 4 is 70. So here capital N is equal to 70. After that we have the formula to calculate median for the discrete frequency distribution, that is median is equal to the value of x corresponding to the LCF, which is just greater than or equal to n divided by 2. Now LCF just greater than or equal to n by 2. Here n is 70. So the value of x corresponding to LCF, which is just greater than or equal to 70 by 2. That is the value of x corresponding to LCF, which is just greater than or equal to LCF just greater than or equal to 70 by 2 means LCF just greater than or equal to 35, and LCF just greater than or equal to 35. Here you can observe it is 48, and which is corresponding to the value of x is equal to 20. So here median is equal to 20. That only we are going to write here. The value of x corresponding to LCF just greater than or equal to 70 by 2. That is the value of x corresponding to LCF, which is just greater than or equal to 35, and LCF just greater than or equal to 35 is 48, and which is corresponding to the value of x 20. So here median is equal to 20. Now age in years we will consider as x values, number of persons as a frequency, and then we have to find absolute value of x minus m. Here m is equal to 20, means from the all x values we have to subtract median, that is m equal to 20, and then we have to find f into x minus absolute value of x minus m, that is 16 minus 20. 16 minus 20 you will get 4, 17 minus 20 3, 18 minus 20 is 2, 19 minus 20 is 1, 20 minus 20 is 0, 21 minus 20 is 1, 22 minus 20 is 2, 23 minus 20 is 3, 24 minus 20 is 4. If you add all the frequencies, then you will get capital N is equal to 70. Then we have to find here f into absolute value of x minus m. Frequency into absolute value of x minus m. That is 4 into 4 you will get 16. 5 into 3 you will get 15. 7 into 2 is 14. 12 into 1 is 12. 20 into 0 is 0. 13 into 1 is 13. 5 into 2 is 10. 0 into 3 is 0. And 4 into 4 is 16. Then after addition of all f into absolute value of x minus m, you will get summation f into absolute value of x minus m is equal to 96. Then we will find the mean deviation from median. Mean deviation from median, that is MD of m is equal to f into absolute value of x minus m upon capital N, that is 96 upon 70. Here absolute summation f into absolute value of x minus m is 96, capital N is 70. Then after simplification you will get mean deviation from median is equal to 1.3714. Also we have to find coefficient of mean deviation from median, that is mean deviation from median upon median. So mean deviation from median is 1.3714 upon m, median is 20. If you simplify this, then you will get coefficient of mean deviation from median is equal to 0.06857. That is the coefficient of mean deviation from median is equal to 0.06857. So these are the examples on mean deviation. Next class we will solve some more examples on mean deviation. Thank you.